Hey everybody, it's Erin Reitz from Erin Mini Banks, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute, look at these little gnomes that can go onto a jar. So all I've done is I've taken a jar and I've upcycled it and turned it into a candy jar, and I etched it to make it even more frosty. And then I made these super cute little gnome hats that fit on top of these jars. So you could use wine bottles, you can use upcycled jars. I think a taller jar definitely works best, and here you can see in the background 2 other colors that I have made. And so without further ado, let's jump in, and you're going to see a sped up version on how to make your very own winter gnome jars. So thanks so much for stopping by and checking out how to make these fun little gnome jars that you can fill with candy, nuts, you name it. You can have all kinds of fun with it, or you can even do a full jar of something and give this to somebody as a gift. And you can definitely play with the colors of felt or play with the colors of the little beads that go on there and have fun. This is just a little wooden bead that pops on there. So easy, so fun. And as a dimension, it is 9-inch square is what I started with for the little felt hat. And you can see how it turns around, and you can see how I didn't cut anything off. I just love the look of it as it angles. So I just think it was super adorable. All the links are down below for where you can find your supplies. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys again later. Bye everybody.